Fauna looking kind of dirty though? I don't think so. I'll have you know that I shower every day most of the time. Most of the time? I mean, you can't tell me. Sometimes when you're just staying inside all day, you might skip a shower. It's just because I am so clean naturally that I don't need to shower absolutely every day. No, you've never skipped a shower? I'm not stinky, no. I'm perfectly showered. Every day. Almost every day. Not stinky. Not stinky.
Hey, goodbye! Thank you for watching!